Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin wa bihi nasta'in ala umurid dunya waddin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala ashrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. All praise be to Allah, the Lord of the world, the Master of the After, the Creator of everything in the universe. He has no partner. Peace and salutation be upon the most honorable to Prophet and Messenger, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and his household, his companion, and his faithful follower who serve in Allah's religion. The night is my honorable to Abu Falaki in the Pinraya. Allahumma ghafir lahu. Honorable to the principal of Darussa'adah. Honorable to all of principal of Darussa'adah. Honorable to the judges. And my special honorable to all of my beloved friends of Darussa'adah. And I like to say thank you very much to all of people in here who has given me an opportunity to speak in front of you all in this very happy occasion. I would like to talk about the importance of education. The honorable audience, we study not to go to the graduation ceremony and hang our picture on the wall of our house, much less to show off our friends. We study to practice and to acquire knowledge, and those students will prepare us to the real life situation. Well, to answer the first question, education refers to a process by which a person develops their skill, attitude, and values. Many times, we associate this term with the school. However, we must also take into account that education is not exclusive to this institution, but also it is up to family and even to friendship with whom we live together day by day. If the people of a country care about education, it shows that they love their nation. It is said that in order for a country to prosper, it needs education. But why? The honorable audience, we study not to go to the graduation ceremony and hang our picture on the wall of our house, much less to show off our friends. We study to practice and to acquire knowledge, and those students will prepare us to real life situation. Education brings us to many benefits, such as confidence ourselves, freedom to decide, consensus will help us to improve ourselves, to feel fulfilled, to feel there was something in life, and that we have an end for which to live. But this is not the only satisfaction that education gives us, but with it we achieve a better quality of life. When you want to buy a dress, shoes, food, or anything else, we need a work, which currently is not so easy to find unless if we don't have an adequate education. As firman Allah in the Holy Quran, Surat Al-Mujadalah, verse 11. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. يا أيها الذين آمنوا إذا قيل لكم تفسحوا في المجالس فافسحوا يفسح الله لكم وإذا قيل انشزوا فانشزوا يرفع الله الذين آمنوا منكم والذين أوتوا العلم درجات والله بما تعملون خبير صدق الله العظيم. The meaning is, "Oh, you will believe, if it is said, be spacious in the assembly, then surely Allah will provide spaciousness for you. And when it is said, stand up, then stand up. Allah will grant those who believe among you, and those who are given knowledge by several degrees. And Allah is knowing of what you do." Dear my friends, it is said that your future of the country is in the hand of the children, and as the children in this country, we must try hard to shift that. That is why today I invite all the audience here to reflect on the importance of education. So, my dear friends, let's keep the value of education intact so that we do not feel sorry the coming day. Education is that wall which no one can steal, but it increases the more we share it with others. Having said that, it is important to be fully vigilant of what we are sharing with others in the form of knowledge, and not something that destroys people and communities. Talabul ilmi faridatun ala kulli muslimin wa muslimat. Education is the most powerful tool, so use it wisely. If you are a privileged person, help others by enlightening them, by teaching them the difference between right and wrong, and imparting moral values. If education will be based on values and ethics, strengthened by sound moral principles, then our generation will grow up as rational beings. On the contrary, if education will be founded on selfishness, then no one can prevent that society from its downfall, and there will be chaos everywhere. But this is not the only satisfaction that education gives us, but with it we achieve a better quality of life. When we want to buy a dress, shoes, food, or anything else, we need a word, which currently is not so easy to find unless if we don't have an adequate education. Finally, ask ourselves, without a foreign education, how do we want to improve ourselves? How do you want to live better? In short, how do you want a better country? Therefore, education is an important part of our life, as well as an essential part to develop a better future for the country. So this is the end of my speech today. I hope some of the points that I have given today make us more appreciative of our chance to be able to have the education at school and make us study more diligently for both our countries and our own future. Education is an important part of our life as well as an essential part to develop of our chance to be able to have the education at school and makes us study more diligently for both our countries and our own future. I thank you for your attention. Good day. See you later. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yang barusan tampil pemegang nomor undian 334 yang bernama Nur Syuhila, utusan YP Darussa'adah Aceh, SMP Gampong Teungoh Sawang, Kabupaten Aceh Utara.